there, I'm Heather Gill, local realtor with eXp Realty, and I am talking to Jenna Zebrowski. She is the principal attorney and the owner of Law by Jay-Z. Jenna, thank you for hanging out with me today.
Thanks for inviting me, Heather.
No, for sure. I love it. Now, a question came in through TexasElder.care, and it's this question. There was a will, but it wasn't probated. How do I get title to the property? Okay, what do you think about this?
Well, I'm going to give you the lawyer answer, which is going to be, it depends. There is a lot in this little question. So first thing I want to know is, who is this person that's asking the question? Are they a direct heir, like a child or a grandchild? Are they mentioned in this will that wasn't probated? Are they a stranger that lives down the street? Who is this person, first of all? So that's part of it. Assuming that this person is either mentioned in the will or is a direct descendant, we're going to assume that for this question. And there's reason to have title of the property. If there's 6 people fighting over the title to the property, that would be a different question. But again, let's assume the intent was for this person to receive the property after the decedent passes. Depending on the time frame, usually in Texas, there's a 4-year window in order to probate a will. So even if it's been a couple, 2-3 years, you still may be able to go ahead and probate the will and get it completed. If that's past the 4-year window, that's not really going to be an option. Good news is there are other options. It could be something like immuniment of title. It could be affidavits of heirship. There's several administrative tools available to clear up title to the property to put it in this person's name, assuming that's what they want to have. It's also going to depend on what they want to do with the property. Do they want to live in it? Do they want to sell it? Do they want another family member to live in it? What are you doing? What are your purposes? So my first recommendation would be if someone passes and there is a will, you don't have to do it that minute, but in a timely fashion, I recommend probating it. That's what the will is for. It takes care of all these questions and they're not going to pop up later. And it's also going to clear up title to things like houses and cars and assets and other things. Everyone will know what they're supposed to do and how to make it all happen. If it's past the time frame to probate a will, that is not ideal, but it can still be resolved. It's just going to take a little bit of footwork, and it's going to take some investment by the person who wants to get the title to the property. So best thing to do is have a conversation about this specific situation. Why do you want the title? Should you get it? And then figuring out the most cost-efficient mechanism to do that legally.
Okay. That sounds like really good information for someone who's in this boat. And again, there's like obvious some caveats and some things that go around this. But if y'all have questions about how to get this done, or like there's something more complicated involved, Jenna can definitely get those questions answered for you and walk you through that. You can shoot her an email there, or you can go to her website and you can schedule time with her on her calendar. She'll do a free consultation with you and just kind of figure out what's going on and then give you advice on next steps. So, Jenna, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.